Hey guys, this is Corey with S&S Mechanical. One of the most common questions we get from our customers is, when should I change my filter? What does a dirty filter look like? These questions lead oftentimes to a service call. When our technicians are in a home, oftentimes we find that an air conditioner or a furnace isn't working because the filter is so dirty. In homes, we typically find two different styles of filters. One would be a filter grill, where your filters are located up in the ceiling. You have to get a ladder, open a small door and pull the filter out. The second type of filter would be at the air handling unit, so at your air handler or at your furnace. These filters can vary in width from 1 inch to 4 inch. A 1 inch filter we find is most effective to change once a month, depending on circumstances. So if you like to sleep with your windows open, if you have pets, if you live in a dusty area, if your doors are opened and closed often, sometimes that will make a filter dirtier than an average home that might be tight inside the city where there's just two people who live there. Air filter maintenance is relatively easy for a homeowner who is comfortable climbing up and down a ladder or who is comfortable with removing doors from their mechanical equipment. If you're not comfortable with that, our technicians do this for a living. We have a program called our Comfort Club, which allows you to pay monthly for our technicians to come to your home, and they will change filters. They will do this maintenance for you. That gives you peace of mind that your filters are clean, your equipment's running correctly, and you're not going to be cold or hot when you need your HVAC system to work correctly.